Conventional financial managers are still skeptical about El Salvador's prospects of launching a new economic paradigm on the back of a forthcoming Bitcoin, BTC, bond issuance. But other nations may be looking to the Central American nation with keen interest, hopeful of following suit if El Salvador's move to adopt BTC as legal tender last year pays dividends. In a report from the Financial Times, Kevin Daly, a portfolio manager at the investment company Abrdn, was quoted as stating that much to our surprise, the Salvadoran finance minister Alejandro Zelaya had said he had demand for up to $1.5 billion for the Bitcoin bonds, which will be used to cons. Regardless, Daly, like many others quoted in the report, claimed that the issuance was a misstep on the government's part, claimed that El Salvador was muddling through the issuance, and opined, if the government print has $1 billion, we're all going to shake our heads in amazement. The Investem. The firm claims that adopting Bitcoin as legal tender could compromise a possible $1.3 billion financing package from the International Monetary Fund, IMF. However, Salvadoran President Nayib Bukele has doubled down on his Bitcoin bet, and has taken an adversarial stance to such cautionary warnings from the IMF and other organizations such as the World Bank. Regardless, the report's author noted that Bitcoin is not seen as a speculative asset in emerging market countries, where the focus is on transacting. The report quoted Lord Fusitu'a, a Tongan aristocrat and ex-MP, who is seeking to introduce a bill that could make Bitcoin legal tender into. They make more money for us than any commodity. Meltem Demirors, the chief strategy officer at the cryptoasset management firm CoinShares, was quoted as stating, El Salvador is a case study for other developing countries that are reliant on the World Bank and the IMF for financing. Nations with FL. Earlier this month, the government had talked up a spate of legal reforms to lay the groundwork for the bonds, as well as a possible bond issuance as early as March 20th. These have failed to materialize, but Bukele and his ministers may be waiting for a more opportune moment to launch.